What's up, guys? Spencer here. We're back doing another video for you guys today in the garage. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about how to prevent your car from shutting off when you're landing a big jump and you're flat landing. I can't tell you how many times that I've heard people come up to me. They were driving around their track, whether it's electric 8 scale, 10 scale, on dirt, on carpet, whatever it may be. There are times where you do land a jump super hard and the car will just shut off and not turn back on, whatever it may be. And today I'm going to be showing you what I do to help prevent that. And it's pretty simple. There's nothing really that you have to get that's extra, so to speak. So we'll kind of get right into it, and I can kind of show you what I do. I have my current 10 scale speed controller right here that I'm starting to put in a vehicle right now. And I wanted to show you that I do a double layer of double-sided tape. The double-sided tape is about 1 millimeter thick, and double layering it is roughly 2 millimeters, maybe a little bit more than 2 millimeters of extra cushion. This allows the absorption of impact when you're driving around the track, especially in 10 scale. Kind of moving on to 8 scale. There's companies out there that make vibration absorption double-sided tape. You can see this is about a 5 millimeter thick double-sided tape, and this is kind of what I use. They make 5 mil and I believe 4 mil. The 5 mil from Kyosho is green, and I think the blue is the little bit thinner double-sided tape. I always use this in electric 8 scale. This just allows the speed control to, when you're taking impact, you can see that the speed control kind of can move and rotate, but still have the security that the speed control is not going to fly out when you're driving. This is something that I always use, and this is something that I've heard that when you call customer service, they always ask if you have this, special tape. Highly recommend getting it, especially if you race electric 8 scale, and then if you do race 10 scale, it's just a simple matter using the 3M double-sided tape. Doubling it up is always preferred for what I do. I think it helps with a little bit extra security that their thing's not going to turn off when you're doing the jumps. This isn't exactly a Hobbywing issue. This is something across the board on all electronics that I would recommend, no matter if you run for Hobbywing or run the Hobbywing products. This will help across the board to help you save money in your pocket. Double-sided tape's definitely a lot cheaper than buying a whole new speed control. So other than that, I think we pretty much covered everything. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the Hobbywing YouTube video, check them out on Facebook and YouTube. And thank you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one.